what it is, what's up, what's poppin', and happy new year from the Loft. What better way to bring in the new year than with a new hairdo? Now, what we're looking at right now is 2-week-old curls that I fell asleep on yesterday and did not tie up. Ridiculous, I know. So, we're gonna get straight into it. First thing we have to do is wash it. And we're gonna be using Curls Blueberry Bliss products. Ooh, yeah. So, we're starting off with the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash, which is, of course, for the scalp and then for the hair in that order. And then we're moving into Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask, which is their conditioner. It's great stuff. After that, we're gonna just see where this goes. I haven't chosen the style yet. We're stuck between if we want to do a sew-in, if we want to do braids, if we just want to do a nice fro. We don't know. But as the time goes on, we gonna know. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we have completed washing, shampooing, conditioning, deep conditioning, detangling, and now we look like Cynthia from Rugrats. So, by the time this chair finished spinning in a circle, my hair will be dried in 3. Is it? Oh, 1. So, we are done. Big shout outs to this blow dryer right here. Let me get the box because amazing. Like I said, this is going to be linked down below. This blow dryer I got off of Amazon. I think I paid $20 at most, if that much. Look for this on Amazon. I tell you, this is like the best purchase of 2020. This was the best thing about 2020 for me, this blow dryer. But hair is blown out. Next up, we are going to be braiding it. And then when we finish braiding it, we're gonna start sewing. So, stay tuned. So, I'm halfway through braiding. This is the point where I always wish I had somebody to just do my hair for me. So no. I'll be back, guys. First hair day of 2021 is complete. A comb sew-in. I do have to flatten it out on the top with my wand, but other than that, nigga look like a whole new person. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you next time. As always, please do something with yourself, get your ducks in a row, and be great. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.